Kathy here from kathyskutekreations. Today we're going to do another unboxing of the confetti. This time you're going to see all of the items as they are opened because I've totally changed the camera around. All right, let's get started. I got my sidekick and my daughter. Okay, I'm going to be watching this camera to make sure all these items are in it. You want to open it first?
Oh, sure.
We've done.
How do you open
And
it?
keep it in this exact area.
Oops, I moved the box.
Oh,
All right.
How are we looking so far?
So far, good.
All right.
bubble wrap.
And it's pink.
Ah.
Wait. There you go.
Okay.
You can lift it up out of the box and remove the box.
Oh, thank goodness. You said leave everything where it is. So.
Yeah.
I meant in the spot on the table.
Is that in?
Yep. Okay, put it down.
No, I meant is
yes.
the box in?
No, the box
We
is
need
not
to move
in.
it? All right.
I need scissors to cut anything that needs to be cut.
Oh,
Got it.
that's okay.
Check.
All right, so first we have confetti.
You want to read it?
Wishing you a very Merry Christmas.
So it's going to hit you in the forehead.
Now I'm
Did
backing
you want
up.
to use the scissors next time and cut that apart?
No, it was glue.
No, it's okay. I'm good. Thanks.
All right, here we go. Wishing you a very Merry Christmas. They're so funny.
A little late for that.
Okay, that's it. All right, let's open that up.
Is it too soon to call dibs?
No, we're not doing dibs
It's
this
not
time.
too soon? All right.
You may
here's
have
what I'm
one
getting.
item each.
Ooh.
Okay.
I caught the best
I
one.
might want to have my subscribers have some of these items.
Ooh. Well, you're not going to get it before Christmas, though. You'll get it before next Christmas.
It'll be before the holidays next year.
Yeah.
Oh.
Mmm,
I see something I like
oh my goodness, look at
already.
this.
It's a car. And
No, cards.
Holiday cards.
No, I meant
center.
that's a car.
Oh.
Yes, I know. Holiday cards, let's see. I thought maybe it told me how many.
Should be on the back.
15 cards and envelopes.
Wow.
And on the inside it says, and may all of your days be a joyful ride.
Do you see that, y'all?
Mm-hmm. Okay, what's the next card say?
Oh.
Oh, this is cute. This is Santa. It says, giver's gonna give. And on the inside it says,
15 cards and envelopes.
uh-huh. And this guy loves to give. There you go. By C.R. Gibson. All right.
The next item is a little thing. It's that thing. It says, "Don't get your tinsel in the tingle."
That's
Can you-
nice.
Yeah.
Uh-huh. You could,
It's for jewelry, like your
Right.
rings and stuff when you
Yeah.
take them off. Yeah.
A little jar. It's
Ooh,
pink.
Can you see it better now?
glass.
Well, it's probably ceramic.
Porcelain.
For your rings.
Yeah.
We
Watch
want it
me.
in the camera so we can see it. All right. Who wants to?
Okay. Since it's right on top,
Okay.
this says a keepsake ornament. Personalize your ornament to remember for years to come. It says Merry Christmas.
Oh, that's
It
nice.
says see back for details.
This tells you how to put it in there. Is it double-sided? Can you put something on each side?
I think so.
It goes
'cause
in
Probably.
Yep. Here we go.
Are we in the? Are we
Oh,
in there?
there's-
Yeah, we're in the
there's
frame.
two.
Okay. So, well, it's a. You take this out,
It can have two different pictures than one on
right,
each side.
and then you
Yeah.
just put a photo on one side or the other, and then put those back together, and it slides right back. Well,
Almost.
it will. I'm just not doing it right because I got it hung up on something
It's
on the
crooked.
string. No, it's fine.
It's the paper.
The paper is.
Thank you.
Oh gosh, I broke it.
No, you didn't.
No, I didn't. Okay,
Well, I
there you
thought I
go.
brought the pink thing. So.
But that's the. Can you see it?
Yeah.
And that says Merry Christmas on it,
Put a
so
little
you can
closer
hang
there
it.
so we can. There we
Well,
go.
you just take
And
it
then
from
there's
her.
when you
When you what?
tilt it the other way,
When you
just
what?
like on a picture frame.
Oh yeah, you
It
can
has
lock
that
it
little
in
plastic right there that you
got-
can,
so it
That's like
doesn't.
a
so it doesn't
uh-huh.
fall out.
Thingy.
Yeah, you just hang this on the tree like that
Yeah.
if you want.
Right.
Yeah, or you can hang it on the wall. It doesn't have to necessarily be on the tree. Okay. Next.
That would be you.
All right.
You
then
did the cards,
Okay.
and she did the
Get over there.
tinsel container. And
Don't tickle me. No.
Okay, let's open that.
Aww.
Oh, isn't that pretty?
Turn it-
Santa,
Throw it in
please
there,
stop
throw it
here.
in there.
Is it in there? Because I can't see it. Okay, so it'll look like that.
A little handle.
I'll
It
take
says
this out
it's
while you...
Christmas garland.
Okay.
Okay. Well,
I'll
then-
work on this while you show something else.
Okay.
And we'll show this at the tail end.
The next thing. sticker labels. So you can put those on your things that need labeling. 10 sheets. Okay, that.
Okay.
See, mine doesn't feel as interesting as yours. It's not much to talk about. Your turn.
Okay, so this is, I'm gonna make sure it's in the shot. It says gift wrap and accessories, wrapping paper, tags, stickers. Got it?
Okay. And you see the big bow?
Okay, hang on a second. I was gonna open it up so they could see it. It's oh,
Yep, perfect. Oh, they saw it.
these are the tags. Those are stickers, and there's paper. It's the cardstock paper, but it's
Yeah.
well, it's wrapping paper though. See,
Yeah, you can pull it out and
There's-
wrap with it.
can they see all those?
Yeah.
Okay, good. All right, so that's what it is. It's everything you need to wrap a gift, and it's got the tags and stickers for it.
And she's still fiddling with the garland. So the next item is underneath what you
For
just put
Grandma
down.
when she's done playing with the garland over there.
Alrighty, here's the last thing in the box. And it is the Santa bag, I guess that's what it is.
And it comes with a tag that says,
North Pole delivery.
and it has another little mini tag on. Well, goodness.
I'm gonna put my Christmas presents
A
that.
Santa sack is what it says.
Ah, Santa sack. Oh, that's pretty too.
It says it's
Black
20
and red
inches
checked?
by 28 inches.
Wow.
So that's how big the sack is. It's a pretty good size.
It sure is. You put lots of things in there.
Yeah.
Good holiday color.
Okay, that was all.
All right. Now
Onward.
okay, here it is, minus the wall hanging, which I'll show you here in a minute. Everything that came in the box. Would you shut the overhead light off? I got a glare on the picture frame.
Which,
Oh,
That was the correct one, and then you can turn that light on over there.
sure.
We're in total darkness. That's because we're used to having other lights on in here. All right, there we go, everybody. Now we got the giggles. Okay. Like I said, I hope this turned out a lot better than the last one did. All right, let's see the thing that I hung up over here on the board. So I put this up on one of my boards so that y'all could see the way that it looks.
It looks great.
wonderful.
Beautiful.
How did you do that? How did you get that up there all by yourself?
Oh, now you know I didn't do that. I had help. Well, I hope y'all like this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. And I'll see y'all next time. Bye-bye. Thanks, everybody, for watching.